Hi, today we start a new chapter magnetism and electricity. First, we study about magnetism and then we move on to electricity. Before starting chapter, let us know what we are all covering in this video. Which topics are covering in this video. The topics are origin of word magnet, natural magnet, characters of freely suspended magnet, properties of a magnet, magnetic induction, magnetic field, magnetic lines of force, definition and properties, Earth's magnetic field, and some of the multiple choice. The word magnet is derived from the name of an island in the Greece called Magnesia, where magnetic ore deposits were found as early as 600 BC. Magnetite is the natural magnet. Magnetite is also called as a limestone. This magnetite or natural magnets are weak magnets. See the picture. In the picture, the bar magnet is tied to a silk thread and this is fixed to a wooden stand. In this way, if we suspend the magnet freely, the point or pole towards the geographic south is called as a south pole and the point towards the geographic north is called as a north pole. Is when a bar magnet is freely suspended, it points in the north-south direction. The tip which points to the geographic north is called as a north pole and the tip which points to the geographic south is called as the south pole of the magnet. Next point. There is a repulsive force when north pole or south poles of two magnets are brought close together. Conversely, there is an attractive force between the north pole, the one magnet, and south pole of the other. Next topic, the properties of a magnet. It attracts the pieces of the iron towards it. Second point, it always comes to rest in a north-south direction when suspended freely. Third point, like poles repel and unlike poles always attracts each other. Fourth point, magnetic poles always exist in a phase. Fifth point, the strength of a magnet is maximum at poles. Next, we move on to magnetic induction. See the picture. Here we are supplying power to the coil. So when we supply the power to the coil behaves as a that item behaves as a magnet. This phenomena is known as magnetic induction. The phenomena due to which unmagnetized magnetic substance behaves like a magnet due to the presence of some other magnet is called as a magnetic induction. We denote the magnetic induction by the word B. Magnetic induction takes place first and then magnetic attraction. That means first magnetic induction phenomena will take place, after that the substance will behave as a magnet. Second point, the magnetic induction depends upon the nature of the magnetic substance. Magnetic induction is inversely proportional to the distance between the inducing magnet and magnetic substance. Here B is inversely proportional to 1 by R. B is the magnetic induction and R is the distance between the inducing magnet and magnetic substance. The SI unit of magnetic induction is Tesla. that is 1 Tesla is equals to 1 Weber per meter square. Magnetic field. Magnetic field means if we use a magnet and magnetic field, the space around the magnet where its influence can be detected is called as the magnetic field. That means up to certain field, up to certain point, the effect of the magnet will be there. So up to that point we call that as a magnetic field. That means the space around the magnet where its influence can be detected is called as a magnetic field. See the picture. That within the box there will be a magnetic field. Next, magnetic lines of force. If we see the picture, we are able to see some of the lines drawn around the magnet. These lines are called as a magnetic lines of force. That means if we see a definition, a curve in a magnetic field along with a free north magnetic pole will move is called as a magnetic lines of force. Properties of a magnetic lines of force. Each line is closed and continuous curve. See the picture. The curves are continuous. That means they are started from one point and they are ended another point. That means they are continuous. Second point, they originate from the north pole and terminate at the south pole. See the picture. In the picture, they started in the north pole and they ended in the south pole. Third point, they will never intersect each other. Fourth point, they are crowded near the poles where the magnetic field is strong. Next, Earth's magnetic field. See the picture. The south of the Earth behaves as a south pole, and the north of the Earth behaves as a north pole. Here also, the magnetic lines of force starting from north pole to the and ended the south pole. That is, the Earth behaves as a magnet with the magnetic field pointing approximately from the geographic south to the north at a particular place on the Earth. The magnet north is not usually in the direction of geographic north. The angle between the two directions is called as a declination. Now we will move on to some of the questions. First question, which is the example of a magnetic substance? First option is iron, second option is nickel, third point is cobalt, and D is all of these. Answer is D, all of these. That means all these are attracted towards the magnet. Second question, which of the following action will not make the magnet lose its magnetic properties? First option, drop a magnet from a height. Second, hammer a magnet. C, pass electric current. D, hit a magnet. Option is C. In all these methods, the magnet will lose its magnetic properties. But if we pass an electric current through the magnet, its property will not lose. So answer is pass electric current. Third question. Naksha is doing his homework, which is given by his teacher. Would you help him to choose the incorrect sentence? First option is the pull or attraction of a magnet cannot pass through the magnet materials like iron and steel objects. Second option, the region of a magnet where the attraction of magnet is strongest are called poles of the magnet. Third option, one pole of a magnet is called as a north pole and other pole of a magnet is called as a south pole. D. The pull or attraction of a magnet cannot pass through non-magnetic materials like plastic, paper, etc. The correct answer is D. That is, the pull or attraction of a magnet cannot pass through non-magnetic materials like plastic, paper, etc. Fourth question. Attraction is seen between two poles of two bars magnet in case of north pole of one magnet with north pole of other, north pole of one magnet with south pole of the other. Third option, south pole of one magnet with south pole of other. D. All these cases will show attraction. The answer is B, that is north pole of one magnet with south pole of the other. Question number 5. Magnet have a shape cylindrical, ball-ended, horseshoe, all of these. Answer is D, that is all these are the shapes of a magnet. Sixth question. The device is used by pilots and navigators used to find the direction. Option is magnetic compass. Question number 7. When a magnet inside the coil is accelerated, what will be the current? Option A increases, B decreases, C remains constant, D reverses. Answer is increases. Eighth question. The magnetism of a magnet is due to A. Earth, B. Cosmic rays, C. Due to the pressure of big magnet inside the earth, D. Spin motion of electrons. Answer is spin motion of electrons. Thank you.